Hello, dear audience. Welcome to this podcast. We're shooting episode number 1 today. This is your host, Tanisha Uja, and the topic is drum rolls, everybody, the advent of cryptocurrency. Well, cryptocurrency is the most used term, I'd say, in 2021. But probably still not completely understood by everyone around us. So here I am to make the understanding of this thing easier and more smooth. And for that, I'd be catering to stuff like how it comes, why so much craze, and what it has for you in store. Talking about the definition of cryptocurrency that you can find literally everywhere on the internet, that is, cryptocurrency is decentralized digital money that based on blockchain technology. Well, all these terms would have scared me 5 days ago, but how about I explain you each term so that the understanding of this phenomena is completely easier for you. Talking about first term, that is decentralized, second term digital money, and third is blockchain technology. Now talking about the term digital money, well, it's simple to understand that money is not in your hand, it's inside your screen, and it's basically inside everything else you clear in. So money not in hands. The next term is decentralized. Well, this is easy to understand with this example. Imagine the kind of money that you use right now. You either have cash in your hands or you do online payments. Now about cash in hands, if you're in India, all the cash is printed by one single authority, that is RBI. So there is some organization maintaining that cash for you and thousands and billion other people rather. Now the next thing is your online money. So about online money, of course, each one of you has some of it connected to a bank account, and that bank account is managed by the bank. Again, there is authority managing money for you and under thousands of people. But that is different with cryptocurrency. It is not centralized, that is, there is no one authority. Rather, the origin, the use, and also the generation of cryptocurrency is managed by all the cryptocurrency users. That means the system is decentralized. You have no one over your watch and looking after you. It happens through each other's support and basically by other people who use cryptocurrency as you do. Now next term that we're going to talk about is blockchain technology. Now imagine a book, okay? Imagine a book, alright, where you write down everything you spend money on each day. Each page in that book is similar to a block, and that entire book full of that pages is a blockchain. So blockchain is basically an open ledger that records transaction in code. So instead of transactions being recorded by a person who works in a bank, the transactions are recorded on an online ledger that is written in code. Yes, code, and I'm talking about computer code, people. Now and about this code, about this ledger is present with each and every person who uses the cryptocurrency. So transactions are recorded in blocks, then changed together with other cryptocurrency transaction, and everyone has a copy of their own book. Wow. And every time each and every transaction happens, each and every book at every computer who uses crypto has it updated. Well, that's something to look out for. Now we're going to discuss the next thing, that how actually cryptocurrency are released into the world, and it is by the process of mining. Yes, you heard mining, but instead of mining diamonds, you're mining crypto, which is actually no less than diamonds in these times, because it has made people millionaire and billionaire. Whoa, might get you interested. Now it is estimated that 0.2% of all the world's electricity goes into powering Bitcoin farms. By Bitcoin farms, I mean supercomputer that runs million lines of code to bring out something into existence. And the people who mine the Bitcoins and who mine the cryptocurrency end up using 60 to 80% of what they earn from mining costs, whatever they earn, they spend 60% in just electricity. Well, if I have not mentioned, then Bitcoin is a type of cryptocurrency, but for more people, it's, just the name for cryptocurrency since it has become so common. Now let's move on to the next part for this podcast. Next part, basically I'll tell you about how the craze has grown. So cryptocurrency has existed for a long time, but it has not been into notice, because of various reasons. But recently it came first because of its increasing value due to increasing demand. Reason being that in the COVID times particularly, people got time to explore on a lot of other things, and that led to increase in something that intrigued them, online currency. And one more thing that is exciting about cryptocurrency is that more than for transaction, crypto is used as an asset. So like you invest in shares, preferential shares, debentures, you invest in crypto and wait for it to grow. So more than a currency for transaction, it's an asset which gets people excited. There are a lot, many cryptocurrencies, maybe Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and a lot others. So now, why it might interest you? Number one, it's good to know about the things that are happening in around you, and second, try to invest in current crypto, because who doesn't like some sort of risk? Crypto is quite fluctuating. You may get a higher dividend and lower dividend, but it would introduce you to a very exciting world, and it would tell you what people like, the latest trends and everything. And why not love a digital currency when you have an entire thing called metaverse, which is an entirely a digital world? So let's see what the world is looking forward to. Now we will talk about metaverse, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and other cryptocurrencies, their fluctuations, why do they fluctuate, all of this in the coming podcast. Thank you so much for giving me your time. I hope now you understand crypto a little better. Thank you. See you next time.